Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can build wealth and earn cash flow with no obligation to sell anything. And yes, the best part is, it's all done for you. I'm talking about a complete never-before-seen digital internet solution that ensures everyone succeeds regardless of your backgrounds or abilities. You'll love this one-stop business solution. Please keep watching. Company name and CEO. The company name is Onpassive. The founder and CEO is Mr. Mufareh. In 2018, Mr. Mufareh started the journey to create an ethical, fair, and innovative business now known as Onpassive. Mr. Mufareh is first a proud American family man, a highly regarded online business expert and the visionary leader of Onpassive. Company products? Onpassive is primarily a customer-based business with over 50 products and will always continue developing new high-demand products. For this presentation, let's spotlight 4 products. OConnect is a new ingenious webinar platform connecting your business worldwide. OStaff is a new innovative HR platform that automates your administrative and recruitment processes. Ocademy is a cutting-edge e-learning educational platform that enables a student or a professional to learn and earn. OTraffic is an automated done-for-you targeted traffic solution that every business must have. Keep in mind, I have only mentioned 4 products. There are over 50 high-demand products that will be included after global launch. All Onpassive products are legitimate innovative products run by artificial intelligence. Every product is designed to simplify the complexities of your business. How will Onpassive make a difference for you and your business? To better understand the Onpassive business solution, our CEO, Mufareh, created the acronym CATMO. What does CATMO mean? C stands for complete. All the products and services a business needs all in one place at one very affordable price. A stands for automation and artificial intelligence, all done for you. T stands for targeted traffic, all done for you. Higher targeted traffic equals higher conversion rates equals higher sales. MO is the money factor. As customers come in and pay a monthly fee for Onpassive products, this creates a residual income for all those who choose to be resellers. Can you make money with Onpassive? Not only can you make money, but you can create your own personal financial legacy. Onpassive provides a complete, automated AI system with targeted traffic where the user of each product is also given an equal opportunity to benefit and profit. The compensation plan is nothing less than revolutionary. Why is Onpassive so special? Everyone will succeed with Onpassive. Here's how. 50+ high-demand products and services for your business. Done-for-you website and hosting for your business. Done-for-you targeted traffic for your business. Done-for-you leads for your Onpassive business. Done-for-you retention for your Onpassive business. Done-for-you customer support for your Onpassive business. Potential of receiving unlimited residual income earned by your Onpassive business. And so much more to be announced after the global launch. Onpassive has evolved into a giant digital internet solution that every business or entrepreneur must have. If you want our profound business platform run by artificial intelligence, please get back to whoever invited you and join their team. You can become a part of this amazing opportunity. Get back to the person who shared this with you and tell them I want to be a founder today.